Welcome to the hydraulic press channel, and today I decided to do something different. Instead of crushing anything, I decided to take on this old myth that you cannot fold paper more than 7 times. So I have a 3-piece sheet of paper and I'm going to fold it first by hand, like 6 or more times, and then use our press for a little help to fold those couple extra times. Five. Now it's folded 5 times, and I think this is not very sharp fold, so I decided to use our press for make it a little bit sharper and maybe six. What the fuck? Our paper some kind of exploded and it's very hard and brittle. I think we cannot fold it more than 7 times with our press. Here is the paper one more time. It's almost like some kind of soft stone or plastic. It's quite hard and then it breaks like some kind of limestone or something like that. You really cannot fold paper more than 7 times. Yeah. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.